intentarte verlo de día y de noche, porque de noche es bioluminiscente. Así que vamos allá, que vamos a montarnos en la mejor atracción que tiene el parque. Mirad qué maravilla, los sonidos que tiene, mirad hacia arriba. Es un lugar mágico, completamente mágico. Bueno, vamos caminando a la atracción. Ya que sí que estamos en un mundo totalmente inmersivo de la película de Avatar. Ay, además está fresquito y todo. Por ahí se entra en la cola normal. Nosotros estamos en la de Lightning Lane, que te corta. Es verdad que este tipo de colas son más rápidas, pero te cortan la parte bonita del interior de las colas, que a veces también son muy inmersivas. Tiene 70 minutos en este momento y el parque está casi cerrando ya. O sea que no me quiero yo ni imaginar el tiempo de espera que puede tener por la mañana. Ahí tenéis toda la gente y nosotros vamos por aquí, por esta colita pequeña. Ya estamos aquí en Flight of Passage. No sé si lo pronuncio bien, perdonadme, mi inglés no es muy bueno, pero bueno, no creo que eso sea muy importante ahora. Esto es lo importante, estamos aquí. Vamos a hablar sobre el tiempo de espera. El tiempo de espera en la cola normal son de 95 minutos y el parque ya está cerrando. Sin embargo, nosotros vamos por la Lightning Lane, que tiene un coste aparte, y el tiempo de entrada es ahora. O sea, tú lo puedes comprar y te dan una hora para volver a la atracción y no tienes que hacer tiempo de espera. Así que es muy importante tener esto en cuenta. Os contaré luego cuando salga. Ya me he montado, pero tengo ganas de volver a vivir la experiencia, así que vamos allá, que vamos a montarnos en la mejor atracción de Animal Kingdom.
Avatars can ride on Banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage. I'll be right back. A banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arm. Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads her science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the ikran and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you're standing over now. And I'll see you in there.
No.